find the determinant. It's down, subtract up. So down is 40, up is 14. So 40 subtract 14 is 24, no, 26, I'm sorry. Too much in a hurry. Is 26. Do by hand. Well, I'm going to expand down column 1. So plus, minus, plus. So I'm going to add the minor associated with 2, subtract the minor associated with the second 2, and add the minor associated with 1. So the minor associated with 2, cross out the column 2's in, cross out the row 2 is in, and you're left with 2, 4, 3, 3. For negative 2, cross out the column and the row, and it's just the middle part's gone. So it's 3, 1, 3, 3. And 1, cross out the row and the column, and it's just the upper 4. 3, 1, 2, 4. So this is 2 times down minus up. Down is 6, up is 12. 6 minus 12. 2, down is 9, up is 3. 9 minus 3 plus 1, down is 12, up is 2. 12 minus 2. So it's 2 times negative 6 minus 2 times positive 6 plus 1 times 10 is negative 6, negative 12. Negative 6 times positive 2. Negative 12, negative 12, positive 10. Negative 24 plus 10 is negative 14. Solve for x. So again, down, which is 40, up is 2x, minus up is 32. Minus 2x is, subtract 40, negative 8. X is negative 8 divided by negative 2, or 4. Solve using Kramer's rule. Well, I'm going to my paper here. The determinant of coefficients is 4, 2, negative 7, 5, which is down minus up. So this is 20 and minus 14. So 20 minus a minus 14 is 34. D sub x, it replaces the x by 5, negative 3, negative 7, 5. Down is 25, up is 21. So 25 minus 21 is 4. D sub y, D sub y, you replace the y's by the constants. So 4, 2, constants are 5, negative 3. So down is negative 12, up is 10. So it's negative 12 minus 10, or negative 32. So that x is d sub x divided by d, and y is d sub y divided by d. D sub x is 4 divided by 34. That's a perfectly good answer. You'll see it's 2 over 17. And d sub y is negative 32 over 34, which is over 17 negative 16 over 17. Is that right? Don't know. No. Down is negative 12. Well, it would help if I add right. This is 22. So this is 22, which then makes that, you can see, negative 11 over 17. Now this is solve the system. Wow. This says that x equals minus y minus 11. Don't like that, but that's what it is. So x squared, which is minus y minus 11 squared, plus y squared equals 61. This is minus y minus 11 times minus y minus 11 plus y squared equals 61. Y squared minus 11, well, this is 11 and 11 plus 22y plus 121 plus y squared equals 61. 2y squared plus 22y plus 121 equals 61. 2y squared plus 22y, subtract 61, and you get 60 equals 0. Now, easiest thing to do is got a greatest common factor of 2. Y squared plus 11y, this is a plus 30 equals 0. This factors, and y, 5 and 6, both plus, so that y is negative 5, y is negative 6. So if y is negative 5, I know that x is negative 5 minus 11. X is 6. So I have x equals 6, y equals negative 5. And x is negative 6 minus 11, which is negative 5. I have negative 5, negative 6. And this is a negative. Two ways to go with this. I'm going to go the harder of the two because that's where you guys have problems. Y is 42 over x. So that says that x plus y, 42 over x, equals 13. So now, clear the fraction. So that x squared plus 42 equals 13x, or x squared minus 13x plus 42 equals 0. X, 6, 7, minus, x is 6, x is 7. So I have the x values. So I know that if x equals 6, y equals 42 divided by x, which is 7, so it's 6, 7. And if x equals 7, then y equals 42 over 7, which is 6, so it's 7, 6. Last but not least, solve the system. I would use the addition method. If I just add, I get 4x squared. The y squared adds 0 equals 64. Divide both sides by 4. X squared equals 64. Take the square root of both sides. Don't forget the plus or minus. So that x is, that's not right, divide by 4, this gives you 16. X is plus or minus 4. Well, I need to find y, so x equals 4. Then I know that 2 times 4 squared minus 5y squared equals 12. 2 times 16 is 32 minus 5y squared equals 12. Minus 5y squared equals minus 20. Y squared equals 4. Y equals plus or minus 2. Take the square root of both sides. Don't forget the plus or minus. So that says if x equals 4, y is plus or minus 2. And if x equals minus 4, then I'll have 2 times minus 4 squared. It's going to be the same thing. Minus 5y squared equals 12. 2 times positive 16 minus 5y squared equals 12. 32 minus 5y squared equals 12. Minus 5y squared equals minus 20. Y squared equals positive 4. Square root both sides. Don't forget the plus or minus. Y is plus or minus 2, so it's 4 negative plus or minus 2.